Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Before I start, I want to start with the red line. If it breaks 1953, there must be an alien activity behind this, the algos. If you want to learn about algos, just watch my movie The Untold Story. Second thing about the narrations, please do listen to the end of the video as I often speak more than what is written here. And the narrations are also written by me while watching the chart and reviewing my session for the day. So let's begin. Gold is gold. Yeah, reviewing my session, these sentiments just burst out of my mouth. Gold is gold. Well, the complications are coming to an end now. I was able to break even my sell entry of 1937 due to ranging market and end up in no profit, no loss. Eventually, the break even hits. After that, we waited for the whole day, but the price didn't make it to our targeted area of buy. And the second option, which I have indicated that it may take support from 23% at 1932 with SMA 200 in H4, became the support provided we spotted the bull flag in H42 at our Telegram group and price finally moved up. I didn't took any position here due to high potency news, and at news we don't trade. This is our SOP. So we waited for the third option mentioned for a dip from 38 or 48. Remember? Exactly then from 48 I took the position and now holding it. Do you know why I always put few lines of the past session? Because I want to share my personal experience at the live market and the decisions we make at our Telegram group. If you find any flaw, you are open to criticize us. Anybody, everybody is most welcome to share here so we all can improve. There is always a room for improvement. Okay, as I'm in sell already, I will wait for the price to land at 32-35 area where day 1 SMA 44 and H4 SMA 200 and H1 38.2. All these time frames are all aligned within this range provided SMA 44 are approaching in this area in H1 time frame. There is a good buying chance here. Like yesterday, again we cannot ignore 23.6% at 1940 to act as support and leads the price to 48.53 area again. Well, in the end, these are few spicy words. Finally, whenever there are too many strong SNRs at a point, gold enjoys breaking them in one go. Just shared my personal experience, and this is the reason we call gold as drunken elephant. Okay, back to that red line. If 1953 is broken, then we are revisiting 1973, the 38.2 macro Fibo level. Algos are going to act there. Provided I see all large time frames are fully in bullish mood. But at our group with other experts, other admins, we have calculated that this is the maximum of the gold and price must start its reversal process towards 1853 at least. So let's see who wins. We discussed these large macro price actions to widen our approach and clarify our vision. As to me, I just trade for 50 pips for the day and usually keep second lot for any chance to get some more few pips. The time I'm recording this, my first TP of 50 pips has been hit, so I have recovered the losses of yesterday. This is another experience I want to share here, that you can see discipline and patience always pays. If you stick to your strategy and manage your risk, you can always win. You can always end up in profit. You must target your profit and loss balance sheet on weekly, monthly, or yearly basis. I do it on monthly basis. So wish you all good luck for Thursday, and let's see what it brings for us. Take care.